Subjects 科目 科目 Vocabularies 詞語 詞語 Chinese subject 中文科中文科 English subject 英文科英文科 Maths 數學科數學科 General Education subject 常識科常識科 Liberal Studies 通識科通識科 Sentences 句子句子 My son loves general education because it is useful and interesting. 我個仔鍾意常識科，因為有用同有趣。我個仔鍾意常識科，因為有用同有趣。My daughter thinks Chinese subject is very difficult, especially in writing. 我個女覺得中文科好難，特別係寫作。我個女覺得中文科好難，特別係寫作。